In this video, I will show you how to submit a photo with a date to Payoneer. The requirement for a photo with a date is quite unique and may seem odd. Most people will never be asked to submit a photo with a date by Payoneer. This is typically only requested in certain situations, such as when Payoneer detects suspicious activity on your account or if you receive a large payment, typically in the range of 5 or potentially 6 figures. In such cases, you will be asked to upload an image of yourself along with a handwritten note that shows the current date. There are a few things to keep in mind when submitting your photo. First, make sure the notebook or paper with the written date does not block your face. Your face should be clearly visible in the image. Additionally, ensure that the image is not blurry and that the date is easily readable. Once you've taken the photo and verified it meets these requirements, you can submit the image to Payoneer. After they review and verify the photo, you will be able to use your Payoneer account normally again.